Our content moderation platform consists of 3 modules, making it easy to be adapted to your needs, combining automatic AI-powered moderation with the necessary input from your human moderators. The admin dashboard is the web and mobile-friendly UI where you can get all of the functionalities and settings in one place. You can control the different aspects of the moderation process so that you can skillfully combine the automatic features of the platform for filtering and flagging with human moderation whenever it's necessary. When you open your dashboard, you have access to 3 different important sections: projects, moderators, and rules. Let's review what you can do in each of them in detail. You can create a new project based on the different types of content you want to moderate. Let's say that you want to use content moderation for your travel agency. You can set up, for example, 2 separate projects for the different streams of content: accommodation reviews for monitoring user reviews of properties, and accommodation photos for monitoring the visuals uploaded for each property. For each project, there are a number of settings you can control. With the SOA setting, you can choose the number of hours within which items in the project have to be moderated. This is especially useful when you have a single moderation team that needs to handle different projects. You can further prioritize the project by setting its overall priority level in your dashboard. The priority level overrides the SOA setting, so it pushes a project up a moderator's list. With batch size, you can set the number of items that a moderator should handle at once when working on a project. Only when they complete one batch, they'll be able to review the items from the next batch. With this setting, you can manage the workload of your moderators, ensuring that the content is reviewed in the best possible order too. You have 2 options for ensuring that you meet GDPR and content privacy regulations: blurring faces of people and of car plates. This setting is especially relevant if you're working in a heavily regulated field. You can also choose the retention policy, or how long an item stays in the system before it gets deleted. This is necessary for the learning purposes of the AI algorithm, which improves over time based on the moderator's feedback on its previous work. You can also assign different moderators to different projects. Once you assign a moderator to a project, they're allowed to flag items for all categories of inappropriate content in this project. That's how you make sure that the right person is working on specific projects, and it also helps you to stay on top of managing moderators' workloads. You can set the different categories of inappropriate content that you would like to moderate. You can create new categories and name them according to your platform needs. For example, you can set categories like inappropriate, irrelevant, and others. For each category, you can choose different options for the AI model for content moderation, the threshold range for forwarding an item to a human moderator. Everything that will sit outside of this range will be considered as properly moderated in an automated fashion. Number of moderators to review a single item in this category for ensuring better quality and less bias. Excluding moderators you don't want to work on a specific category within a project. And in addition, you can write down the guidelines for moderation of this specific category so that moderators can access them easily whenever they work on it. When you add a new category, it is added to the system in real time so that it can be used immediately. You can create profiles for the different moderators on your team. They consist of their name, photos, and languages they use. You can set flexible rules individually for each moderator and assign priorities. You're also able to review the number of items assigned to each person as well as the rules. In the rules section of the admin dashboard, you can create custom rules for your moderation process. For example, you can create rules for the different languages used and their priority levels. Then you can assign these rules to specific moderators. Let's say that a certain person has to prioritize the English language content, while another one has to prioritize Spanish language content.